Man, am I happy I found you, Katie, because I just really need some help.
Yeah, Catherine, what do you need help with?
Well, you see, I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but I just started school and I forgot to get notebooks. I am so mad at myself right now.
Wait. I actually just made a brand new YouTube video on YouTube about a DIY mini marble notebook. And I love marble myself, and I honestly think it turned out amazing.
Wait, I love marble. Thank you so much. Because at school, I don't have notebooks, I don't have marble notebooks, I don't have this, I don't have this, I don't have that. I need notebooks fast.
You're welcome. You don't have to thank me anymore. Just go watch my video here on YouTube. Okay, bye! Hi guys, welcome back to Katie's Cool Creations, and in this video I am very excited because I am making a DIY mini marble notebook, and I am super excited for this video because I love everything that's marble. It just looks so fun to me and it makes me so happy. So I am very excited for this video. So before we get started with the video, if you are new here to my channel, be sure to go in the description box down below and click that big red subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you do, that would be so awesome. So without further ado, let's get straight on with the video. So this is the super cute marble notebook that I'm going to be showing you how to make. I think it turned out amazing, and just keep watching to learn how to make it. So to make your marble, then you can start sticking it on. So here is my DIY mini marble notebook, and oh my goodness guys, I think it turned out so nice. And if you try this out, please be sure to tell me in the comment section down below. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and oh my goodness, this DIY mini marble notebook was so fun to make, and it looks like you just bought it from the store, literally to me, and I am just totally obsessed with it. I love it, and if you guys try it out, please be sure to tell me in the comment section down below. I would love to hear it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye!